How to create account on OKX Wallet. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can create account on OKX Wallet. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. Now you can either head into the web of the OKX Wallet, official OKX Wallet web page, or you can do so on the application. You can head into your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, Android or iOS respectively, and you can download the OKX Wallet app. Once you have downloaded it, you can simply go ahead and open it up. Once you open it up here, in order to create the wallet, it should give you the option to either sign up or log in. So now at the bottom of your screen, you can see once it has opened up, you can see login option and sign up option. If you want to sign up for the exchange, you can simply tap on sign up, or if you want to head into wallet, you can head into wallet here. And you can see if you haven't created wallet, you can tap on create wallet and then go ahead and set in the password and make sure to back it up. However, if you want to create the exchange account, then you can head into exchange tab and then tap on sign up option and then go ahead and sign up. Select the reason. Once you have selected the reason, you can go ahead and tap on create account and go ahead through the prompts to register yourself. This is how you can easily create account on OKX Wallet. If you want to do it on wallet, simply head into wallet, tap on create wallet here, then you can see create now option. You can either connect your hardware wallet as well, then tap on create now and you can enable your fingerprints, and once you do so, it should take you to the prompts. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.